Right, so we just had some new tyres arrive for the SSRs at the front. I went for 185 55 15s. It's gone 7.5J. They're a rain sport 5, so nice and sticky. But yeah, they're going to go on these. I'm no tyre fitter. We got a new tyre machine, so we're going to try it out. I did change my mate Kev's tyres the other night and his old BBS wheels, and they went absolutely perfect. So yeah, let's hopefully we don't we don't smash the hell out of some rare SSR mesh. But yeah, I'm sure there'll be some tyre fitters watching this video and screaming like, "What the hell are you doing, man?" But yeah, we'll give it a go. Right, let's fire the noisy boy up and yeah, give it a whirl, so to speak. On. Right, more in a bit. Right, let's give this a whirl, see how it goes. Wait till this goes off, you won't hear a thing I'm saying. Check the electrical valves in. Ooh, shiny. Get the valves are in. Lost my SSR dust cap. We'll find it in a minute. Got some protective things that go on the metal clamp, so I'm guessing they're for nice wheel size. Let's give it a try. What's the worst that can happen? Let's get familiarised. There. What we'll do actually, before we do that, let's do the tyre paste. I'm not too sure how these are even going to go, if they're going to be too balloony. I'm not too sure. I mean, from what I've seen on some of the old school 15s, a 185 55 is pretty good on a 7.5J. I didn't want it being too low either, so that's why I wanted to go with a little higher profile tyre. But I suppose only time will tell. I say this, there's probably tyre fitters screaming now saying, "What the hell are you doing, man?" all lubed up. Sweet. So we've got an inside which is, so it's that side, is it? Yeah, inside is that side, so we want to go on that way. The other one's practically fell on the other night I've done, so I must be doing something wrong here. But I know why I'm having trouble with these. I bet these are reversed. So you have to put them on the other way, which would make sense. Why I'm having trouble. But they go on that way. And that is it. Right, so the inside now is that way. Okay, so that's why I was having trouble getting them on. It was on the reverse side, so I flipped them over. They got on the back side. Now, set up the time machine, they should fly on. Pump up. What are the chances? I need a cheater. There we go, we're in. Pop. But it didn't pop, which is what they normally do. Well, that's confused me. I'm not too sure if that's popped on. I mean, it looks popped on all the way around. Didn't go on the rim, but maybe that's just because of the tyre. I don't know. It looks on there. It's certainly not going to come off, I don't think. I think we have success. They look pretty decent as well. (185.55) on a 7.5J, so yeah, pretty cool. Sidewalls are so soft on these Rain Sport 5s though, really soft. I didn't hear the pop. That's the only thing that's confused me. Tyre fitters, tell me, does it always go onto the rim or not? I don't know, I ain't got a clue. It's my first time using the time machine properly, so. I mean, it looks sealed all the way around, there's no leaks. Might be just because they're not very stretched on there. Guessing so. Sweet. Oh man, this is going to make drift days so easier. Having a tyre machine here at the HQ, which I've always wanted, I've wanted it for years, this is going to make life so much easier. Oh, touch. Right, now I've done one, crack on with the other. And to find my SSR nut. Right, so my mistake from the first wheel is obviously looking at these, they're reverse mounted, so I chucked them upside down and they pop straight on, so let's give it a go this time. Spot on. Right, inside edge is, where are you? There. Inside edge is that way. Top of that one, under that one. Give it a go. Boom. Lovely job. Here we go. Right. Oh, hopefully this one pops on as easy as the last one. Ah, there's my other SSR nut. That's handy. Sorry, I'll have to watch because that's going to actually knacker that. I'll have wrapped it round the blooming thing under there. Woo! That could have been a disaster. Come on. There we go. Again, no big pop on the lip, but they're on all the way around, so job done. 2 SSR mesh successfully mounted for the first time on my machine. Winner. So, I know it's jacked up in the air, but look how cool that is going to look. I've just got to paint the rears up the same as the fronts, the champagne colour, but they are going to be bad arse on here. Oh man, once this thing's back on the floor, probably need to do a little bit of arch rolling, but. Or actually, no, I've got a large spacer on there. Actually, I might get away with another 5mm off that, but damn, they look sick. God, that thing is going to be red.